Hello everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞 and welcome in 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐴 platform. As you guys know, whenever any important career related updates and informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐴 platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So guys, lots of students are aware like NIELIT release one requirement for you, scientific assistant in a Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology STQC direct requirement last year in a February notification release. And here is the important update. Today they released the final merit list of the selected candidate for all the branches like computer science, electronics and information technology. So here you can check IT students complete list is available. IT total selections is like 26 students shortlisted. For EC, if you talk about the name, roll number, application number available, so you can check your name, roll number, total 55 students shortlisted. And for CS also you can check total 31 student shortlisted in this particular requirement. So guys, if your name in this particular list, you can check your name, and one Google form will share by us, so you can fill that particular form. We will celebrate your success and share your journey with other aspirants, so definitely they will also get motivated. So guys, those students who participate in this requirement, here is the final result available. You will get all the PDF of result in 𝐂𝐿deep_PW Telegram channel, from where you can access. Rest we will meet in another video with another update. Till then, goodbye, take care.